Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is part 2 of connecting to S3 bucket from AWS CLI. In the previous video we connected from AWS CLI from our home computer and to the bucket, and also we connected from our Linux machine EC2 instance to a bucket. Now in this video I'm going to connect from EC2 Windows instance to S3 bucket using AWS CLI. So let's get started. So all we need to do is to connect to the Windows machine. So now connecting to a Windows machine, you need to get the password and then you need to remote into the machine. I'm already connected to this machine here. The very first thing you need to verify if there is AWS CLI installed. So for that, what we need to do is need to go into the command prompt, and you just need to type one of the AWS commands, or maybe just AWS. It will give you error like this. It means that AWS CLI is not installed. So in order to install AWS CLI, you need to open Internet Explorer. But before opening Internet Explorer, one thing that we need to do is go to Server Manager and switch off IE Enhanced Security. Because if you don't, on every click on Internet Explorer, it will ask you to whitelist the website. So for that reason, I'm just gonna disable the IE Enhanced Security. So once it is disabled, I'm just gonna refresh this and make sure that this on changes to off. And now I am going to go to Internet Explorer and download AWS CLI. So once I'm here, all I need to do is to go to installing AWS CLI, or we can go to the home page. And from the home page, all we need to do is download the Windows CLI. So here I'm going to just run it quickly. So here it says get started, CLI reference, GitHub project, community, forum. So all we need to do is download this. For the Mac users, they need to download this, and for Linux, they need to download the Linux installer. So here, I'm going to pause the video. Once the download is finished and the setup starts, then I'm going to just actually, it's just here. So I don't need to pause the video, and I can just install. So it will take a few moments and the CLI commands, AWS CLI, will be installed. So it literally took like 1 or 2 minutes, and so it is installed. So all I need to do is to verify now that if CLI is installed. I'm going to open command prompt again and run AWS. Now this time you will see AWS command, and all you need to do is now, first of all, let me just run and see how it goes. So S3, enter, and here it says unable to locate credentials. So the very first thing what we need to do is to configure the credentials. So AWS configure, enter, and it will ask for the access key and also the access key and the secret key. Now where do you get the access key and secret key? You can get it from your IAM user from within your management console, your access key and the secret key. Now when you create a user, we all know that we get an Excel sheet that you can, or CSV file that we download and keep it in a safe location. You can get both of the keys from there. And now since we are connected to EC2 instance, and here the copy paste mode works sometime, and it's not work. It's sometime it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but in the real environment it will work because everything is connected with IP addresses. So and also, since we so after this step, you can follow the other video, the part 1 of this video, connecting to S3 bucket from CLI. So it's the same step. So after, you will provide access key, secret key, and you will be connected, and you can run all of the commands in regards to S3 bucket. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in another video.